Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Fazle Rabbi, lecturer in English, Afazuddin Memorial School and College, Kaliakur, Gajipur. Welcome you all to my online class. My today's class is for class 9 and 10, subject English second paper, topic tag question. My today's class is the second part on tag question. In my previous class, I have discussed about some basic rules of tag question and I have solved some examples. I hope you have solved those examples at your home. Now I will discuss about some more important rules of tag questions. When we will get everybody, everyone, all plus nouns such as all people, all student, etc., somebody, they will be the pronoun of the question, but the sentence will be regarded as affirmative one. When the subject of the statement is nobody, no one, none, they will be the pronoun, but the sentence is negative sentence. Example: everyone is nostalgic in life, aren't they? For everyone, we have taken pronoun they. You intend to use is for making question, but you can't, because after and before they we can't use is. Is not matched with they. For they, are is grammatically matched. Most of the students fall in difficulty in this case, so be careful when you will answer the tag question having subject everyone or everybody. Everybody does not support me. For everybody, I have taken pronoun they and negative statement. Make question affirmatively. You can't use does not because does not is not grammatically matched with they for they, so you will have to use do. Every student has a computer, haven't they? For every student, I have taken pronoun they, and for they I can't take has. I have to take have. Affirmative statement, so I have taken negatively, haven't they? If you answer this question using don't they, it is also right answer. Nobody believes a cheat, do they? For nobody, the pronoun they has been used, and for they we have to use auxiliary verb do. Here the student fall in difficulty when they find believes. They want to use does here, but remember we can't use does after and before they because it is not grammatically matched. Nobody phoned, past indefinite statement, negative statement. For they take, for nobody take they, and for past indefinite statement take did. Nobody was present, were they? Negative statement. For nobody take they, negative statement take verb positively. Can't use was, you'll have to use were for they. Some negative words: barely, hardly, scarcely, seldom, rarely, few, little are negative words. When you will find them in the statement, this statement will have to be regarded as negative. Example: I can hardly remember him. Can I? Hardly adverb is present here. For this reason, this sentence is negative. So you will have to take the modals affirmatively, and pronoun I will be remain same in the part of question. Sami seldom takes tea. Sami seldom takes tea. Does he? Here seldom negative adverb. For this reason you will have to take does. You can't take doesn't. For Sami, take pronoun he. Answer is does he. Remember, few is similar to not many, so it gives a negative meaning and takes affirmative tag question. But a few means some. It depicts a positive meaning and takes negative tag question. Example: I have few pens. Have I? Or you can ask, do I? Here few is present. For this reason, this statement will be regarded as negative. So you can't make question negatively. You can't make question negatively. You will have to make question affirmatively here for the presence of few. But if a few is used in the sentence or statement, you will have to make question negatively, because a few is not negative word, but few is negative word. I have a few pens. Haven't I? Or you can make question using don't I. Remember, little means hardly anything. It indicates to very small amount which is not considerable. It depicts a negative meaning and takes affirmative question tag. But a little means small amount which is considerable. It gives a positive meaning and takes negative question tag. For example, there is little water in the jug. Here, for the presence of little, the statement will be regarded as negative. So make question affirmatively. Use is, and here you should notice another thing. If you find there as the subject of the statement, its pronoun will be there. So if you find there as the subject of the statement, you will have to use there as the pronoun in the part of question. There is a little water in the jug. A little is not negative word, so make question negatively here. Use is, and for there use pronoun there. So answer will be isn't there. There is a little water in the jug. Isn't there? This or this plus noun will be it as pronoun in the part of the question. That means when you get this or this plus noun as the subject of the statement, you will have to use it in the question part. That or that plus noun will be it in the question part. Example, this watch is very costly. For this watch, take it. For is affirmative statement, use is negatively, isn't it, is the answer. That was a lion. For that, take pronoun it, and for affirmative statement, take was negatively, wasn't it? This is the plural form of this. This is the plural form of this. So when you will get this or this plus noun as the subject of this statement, you will have to take they as the pronoun for the question part. Similarly, when you will get those or those plus noun as the subject of this statement, they will be regarded as their pronoun in the question part. For example, these dogs are not harmless. Negative statement make question affirmatively. Are they? For these dogs, we'll have to take pronoun they. Those were my books. Weren't they? The answer. For those, we have taken they, and affirmative statement we have made question negatively. That's all from me today. I hope you will practice the examples at your home, and you will have to make an assignment using all the examples I am giving you. I have discussed in my class. I will come before you in my next class with more important rules of tag question. Until then, Allah Hafiz, bye.